Congratulations, you're using the best self-study CPE site online, rated 4.9 out of 5 stars by thousands of our CPAs. My name is Tad Stevens, and as the director of CPEthink.com, I know you're busy. I'm going to be thorough and concise reviewing today's course. This video will be quick, and if you stick around, I'll give you a coupon to get some CPE on us just for watching. First, a quick intro video, and then we'll get to it. Okay, 1040 Tax Workshop for 2021. This is one of our most popular courses. It's by a gentleman named Danny Santuci, who is a tax attorney. It is 28.0 CPE credits and 28 IRS credits, going for 155.95, passing grade of 70%. It is a NASBA QAS course. It's text in text format. It is considered technical. It is also a NASBA Registry, and it is also for IRS enrolled agents. It is the taxes, or in the taxes field of study, and it is designed to make the practitioner comfortable with high traffic issues. This program establishes or enables participants to discuss and handle individual tax essentials. The course examines and explains the practical aspects of return preparation and individual planning, bridging the gap between theory and application. Significant new developments are summarized with emphasis on tax savings ideas. Practical applications and illustrations are used to systematically explore tax deferral, reduction, and elimination opportunities accompanying return preparation. For example, the analysis of gross income is discussed together with income splitting techniques. Property transactions are examined alongside like-kind exchanges and involuntary conversions. The result is an extraordinary blend of the latest developments affecting individual returns and their related planning areas. And as I said, this is our most popular course. People take this to get up to speed on a multitude of 1040 issues for a tax year. And you can see the little note right down here. It says this is for the 2021 tax year. It was released in 2021. You do need a general understanding of federal income taxation. It's considered to be an overview. There's no other additional materials needed for this. Everything is included, and that is just a link you can go to for more information on related topics. It is considered to be QAS self-study. There is no advanced preparation needed for this. You can just start right in, and it is for anyone needing continuing professional education, or CPE. We released this course on February the 9th of 2021, and NASBA course declaration means basically what this says is you need a 70% or higher to receive CPE, and you can track it on the course history page. There are some courses that require more, like California Ethics requires a 90, Florida requires an 80%, things like that. Let's see, this is a repeat of the audience types before, some keywords on how we list this course. And let's go look at the learning objectives. The course contents and learning objectives for this course are tightly related, and learning objectives, I think, would give a better explanation or a better overview. So Chapter 1, learning objectives, are tax rates tables, filing status, gross income, dividends and distributions, discharge of debt income, exclusion from income, non-business and personal deductions, educations and medical expenses, casualty and theft losses, and tax credits. And then this here lists the what you'll be able to do after you finish Chapter 1. Chapter 2 learning objectives are all about landlord rental expenses, health insurance costs, home office deduction, travel and entertainment expenses, employee expense reimbursement and reporting, automobile deductions, fringe benefits, methods of accounting, expensing and depreciation, and amortization. Then Chapter 3, and this is 4 chapters for this course, by the way. Chapter 3 is sales and exchanges of property. Sales and exchanges of property, home sale exclusion, installment sales, repossession, involuntary conversions, at-risk rules, like-kind exchanges, retirement plans, IRAs, and simples. And the last chapter is Chapter 4, Losses in AMT and Compliance, Passive Loss Rules, Suspension of Disallowed Losses under Section 469, Computing the Alternative Minimum Tax, Minimum AMT Tax Credit, Reporting Compliance Rules and Provisions, Accuracy-Related Penalties, Information Reporting, Penalty Final Regulations, Penalty for Unrealistic Position, Statute of Limitations for Assessments, and Examinations of Returns. So that's good for that one. Let's go back to the course, and you can see the contents go into more detail for each chapter and what is included in that. So any questions while you're looking at this, or after you get it while you're going along, or before you get it, just click this little chat bubble down here, send us a message, and we'll get right back to you. That is usually the fastest way to contact us. And if you're looking to purchase this course, then just click the Add to Cart button right here, and it will walk you through the shopping cart to do that. If you have a subscription, you can just add it to your My Courses or your account for no charge. So any questions, let us know, and have a great rest of your day. I hope you like this video. If you'd like more, tap or click subscribe and the bell. Leave a comment or a question, and let us know what you think. We reply to all of them. Remember that promise I made at the beginning? How about free CPE just for watching? Go to cpethink.com/video3. That's cpethink.com/video3. Use the $15 one-time use coupon code that you see on that page. It's good for courses and unlimited subscriptions. That means over 100 CPE credit courses to choose from for free. See you in the next video.